All right, so I'm back. I told you guys I was going to come back and show you the progress from what we were doing. So we did the string beans and the potatoes. Let me take you over here so you can see what we got here. And I did my taste testing too. Everything is good. This is the string beans with the smoked turkey and the potatoes. And what I did, guys, wait a minute, let me show you something. I took out, look, I took out the apple cider vinegar with the pepper in there. And just for a little tangy tang. Let's put a little bit of that in there. Bam. Yes, sir. Right? Now that's going to be correct. Let's give it a good stir. That's what I'm talking about. Right? And that is done. So, and the okra is done. I put the lemon juice in there. All right, I put the lemon juice in there so it doesn't be slimy, and there's no slime at all. There's no slime. I can't wait to eat on this. I can't. I just can't. I cannot wait. And let's take out this mac and cheese. We're going to take that out right now. Give me a second. Let me get another mitt. And we're going to pull this mac and cheese out. Let me pull this back. Yeah. I was excited about this dinner today, y'all. And here's the mac and cheese. That is done. There you go. Put that right there. And you see that prime rib, right? I'm going to put the top on here, and we're going to move this out the way because we're going to switch the prime rib over. Let me move this stuff. And let's talk about this prime rib. Okay, it's nice and cool now. All right, so if you've seen it from the beginning, I did everything in the cast iron. I seared it, browned it. I put the onions in. I caramelized the onions. It made this gravy. I put it in the oven on 350. And now we're going to switch it over. I turned it over 2 times. As I said I would. I turned it over twice. And I think it should be cool enough. Yep. It's cool enough. I'm going to lift this up. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Want to cheat? Let's take a piece. Hold on, let me wash my hands. Huh? Look at that there. We ain't playing. We ain't playing today. We are not messing around today in this kitchen. Okay, I'm going to take this out, and I'm going to put it in a different bowl now. Different dish. So with the cast iron, the difference is with the cast iron, it's still searing while it's in the oven. It's really cooking and getting a nice crust while it's in the cast iron pan. And that's why it's recommended to use the cast iron. And you didn't think I could put all that in this pan, did you? So now we're going to take that gravy. We're going to put all of that stuff in here. Right? I'm going to take a little scallion. And we're going to save the rest to make it look pretty. And I'm going to take and put some water. The season is really, really good, guys. The season is good. So this has flour on it, so it's still going to make some more gravy. And I'm just pouring just a little bit over here. Yeah, it ain't going to hurt it none. I poured some on the meat to move the salt around, okay? And I'm going to stick this beautiful piece of meat back in for its last round of cooking because I want well done. Right? Look at that. I want well done. So, the next time you see me, it's going to all be done. And here's a little tip for you. Like when you're cooking any kind of roast, no matter what size, when you take it out the oven, it's a thing called tinting. That means take a piece of foil, like put it on a good surface, like a cutting board, and you tint it. You take the foil and you cover it. You just place it over it. And you leave it there for a few minutes. Sometimes I do about 20 minutes. You know what that do? All them juices stay right in there. Can't get out. So when you slice your roast or your whatever, your pork or your beef, when you see all them juices coming out, that's because you tinted it. Just a little tip. So anyway, I'm about to call my sister and my brother. I talked to most of my family today. I'm going to call some more family. See what's going on with my grandkids. Do a little bit of that. Get my chatter on like I love to get my chatter on. So anyway, don't forget, share, like, and share. Sharing is caring. Like and share, okay? Because somebody may want to know how to make that. Or you may want to make it. And if you do, post it up so I can see it. You can post directly on my page. And I like to see if you do some of my videos. Please post it up so I can see it. And I can give you a shout out as well, okay? And lastly, when I do come back, I have some information I want to give to you. I got the information from the Flows shirts. I'm going to pin it to my my page, okay? I have 2 different sites for her. For them t-shirts, Open Your Mouth, One Love, What's Poppin', where she gave me the information to pin. And also, another family member of hers, they sell them pocketbooks. I did get my first purse, and I'm going to show that to you once all this is done, okay? When I sit down and we can just chat it up a little bit later, and I'll do all that then, okay? So for now, if you're making your dinner, I hope I gave you some good tips for the future, even if it's not today, for the future. And keep coming back. It gets better and better. So I'll see you later.